AI versus humanity, who will win in the job market? That is a significant question that many people are considering. There are many worries about AI and humans competing for jobs, but there are also some intriguing opportunities. Now let's get started. Number 1. AI taking over repetitive and dangerous jobs. AI has the potential to replace many repetitive, hazardous, and boring jobs in the near future. Jobs including data entry, manufacturing, driving, including autonomous cars, and other tasks that don't call for intricate human decision-making may fall under this category. Instead of trying to win against humans, the objective here is to manage work that can be automated so that people may concentrate on professions that call for greater creativity, empathy, or problem-solving skills. AI is particularly good at automating repetitive, predictable processes that don't call for intricate decision-making. These occupations frequently entail heavy lifting or repetitive duties that technology can automate. Tasks like product packing, quality control, and item assembly can be handled by robots and AI systems. This lowers errors and boosts efficiency. Number 2. Humans shifting to new roles. Instead of losing in the labor market, people may move into positions that AI cannot perform as well. Jobs that need social interaction, like teaching or leadership positions, emotional labor, like healthcare or counseling, and creative sectors could all continue to be controlled by people. The AI explosion will also create new opportunities in areas like AI development, maintenance, and supervision. One of the most important components of this transition is how humans move into new occupations as AI continues to advance and replace many harmful or monotonous jobs. Although the workforce will need to adjust, there will be new opportunities, especially in fields where AI still fails, such as creativity, empathy, complex problem-solving, and interpersonal skills. Number 3. Collaboration. Instead of competition, there may be greater cooperation between AI and humans rather than a winner-take-all situation. Through data analysis, automation, or insight provision, AI can help humans perform their tasks more effectively. The oversight, moral judgment, and emotional intelligence that AI presently lacks will be crucially provided by humans. The notion that humans and AI should work together rather than compete is a compelling one. We might consider AI as a tool that enhances human abilities and complements human skills rather than as a direct rival to human labor. This change in viewpoint has the potential to benefit both people and society at large by creating new avenues for productivity, creativity, and innovation. Here's a closer look at how cooperation might develop in different industries in the workplace. Number 4. Challenges of transitioning. AI wins in the labor market is not the main question. Rather, it is how society responds to these developments. Employees in sectors like retail, customer service, and transportation that are significantly impacted by AI may have a difficult time adjusting. Programs for retraining and reskilling will be essential for assisting individuals in acquiring new abilities and adjusting to the changing market. There are a number of difficulties in making the shift to a workplace where artificial intelligence is used more frequently. Although working together with AI has many potential advantages, there are challenges in adjusting to these developments. Businesses, employees, and society at large may all be impacted by these issues. The possibility of job loss is one of the most pressing issues, especially in sectors where automation can take the place of manual, repetitive labor. As AI replaces occupations in industries like manufacturing, retail, and transportation, low-skilled individuals in particular may have trouble finding new positions. Workers will need to learn new skills as AI becomes more prevalent in the workplace in order to use AI technologies in their jobs and cooperate with machines. Number 5. Universal Basic Income, UBI, and other solutions. In order to provide people with the financial means to survive and adjust even in the event that AI replaces jobs, some have put up ideas such as Universal Basic Income, UBI, in which everyone receives a basic income. Although not everyone agrees with this theory, it is one approach being considered in reaction to widespread automation. As a means of addressing possible job displacement and economic inequality, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation in the economy has sparked conversations about universal basic income, UBI, and alternative solutions. Number 6. Automation of repetitive jobs. Jobs involving normal, repetitive tasks, such as data entry, manufacturing work, and basic customer support, are already being replaced by AI. These positions are more likely to be won by AI since robots are more effective, quicker, and less expensive at doing jobs that don't call for human creativity or empathy. Number 7. Reskilling and retraining. In order for humankind to win, humans will need to constantly adapt and reskill. Jobs in technology, maintenance, and AI system supervision will become more in demand as AI takes over some industries. A workforce capable of transitioning from antiquated sectors to more modern, technologically advanced fields will be needed for these new positions. AI may surpass humans in terms of productivity if we don't adjust, leaving displaced labor behind. Number 8. Job creation from AI innovation. AI can create new employment as well as replace some existing ones. As AI develops, new sectors, businesses, and positions will appear, including data scientists, ethics officers, AI specialists, and positions we haven't even considered yet. Whether humanity can win by developing meaningful, human-centric jobs will depend on how well it innovates and adjusts to these new chances. Number 9. Public policy and social safety nets. One important consideration will be how governments react to AI's effects on the labor market. Humanity may have the means to coexist peacefully with AI if public policies like Universal Basic Income, UBI, education reform, or job retraining programs are put into place. When AI replaces occupations without providing clear transitional pathways, there may be severe social inequity in the absence of such measures. Number 10. Economic and ethical considerations. Many contend that because big businesses would have a major advantage if they controlled AI technology, it may concentrate money and power. Smaller companies and employees may be left behind. Whether humanity wins in a socially decent manner will depend in part on ethical factors, such as how we provide equitable access to opportunities and guard against harm from automation. It's preferable to perceive the situation as a collaboration where both AI and humanity can complement each other's strengths rather than as a conflict between them. Humanity will continue to play a vital role in creative, moral, and emotionally charged activities, but AI is likely to take over many monotonous and hazardous tasks. The win will depend on how successfully people adjust to these developments, retrain for new opportunities, and make sure that society as whole shares fairly in the advantages of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.